where you touch the screen because it's not attached all the way down. So if you touch it near the top, it's really firm and solid, but then in the middle where the hinge is, it does feel a bit more plasticky and spongy. Also, there is a bit of like a noticeable creasing noise when you open and close it. James asks, how robust are the edges of the screen by the bend? When you fold the phone, the screen does lift up a little bit because it's not completely attached to the phone. That's necessary to allow it to fold the way it does, but I do wonder if bits of dirt could get underneath there and cause problems in the future. It's very difficult to say how many times you could open and close this. Samsung and Huawei have given a figure. They say more than 100,000 times and their screens would be fine. Lenovo hasn't given a figure for this, but the company did tell me that expect it to last for the lifetime of the phone. But how long that is of course up to debate. That might mean 2 years, that could be for some people where you touch the screen.